Hello to everyone. Today we will be playing with a house, with a toy house. It has 4 doors. This is yellow door. This is blue door. This is pink door. And this is green door. So this house has 4 doors. Hey, let's see who lives behind pink doors. Let's push this button. Oh! Here lives a green pig. Hello, green pig. Hello to everyone. Let's see who lives behind green doors. Let's pull this button. Oh! This is a yellow bear. Hello, yellow bear. You live behind green doors? Yes, I live behind green doors. Let's see who lives behind yellow doors. Let's turn this button. Oh! And a blue mouse came down. Blue mouse, are you living behind yellow doors? Yes, I live behind yellow doors. Let's see who lives behind blue doors. We have to pull down this button. Let's pull. Oh! A pink cat lives behind blue doors. Hello, pink cat. How are you?